Every morning, Aaron sat before the marble. He had been carving the same statue for 6 years, a woman he once dreamed of, or maybe the memory of that dream. The villagers had stopped asking when it would be done. He had stopped asking himself that too. Still, he came, every day, before the birds, before the market, before the world remembered to speak. Some days he shaped her cheek with tenderness, as if afraid she might wake. Other days he destroyed whole months of work in silence. The courtyard floor was white with what he'd erased, fragments that looked almost right. People called it obsession. Aaron called it listening, because beneath the sound of his chisel, something else was speaking, something quieter than stone. 6 years, Aaron. Don't you ever tire of beginning again? Aaron smiled faintly. I don't begin again, he said. I return to where I last understood. He worked through everything: grief, sickness, silence. Even when his hands trembled, he carved, not because he believed she'd appear whole, but because the act itself made him remember who he was before life took shape around him. The wind slipped through the courtyard, brushing the marble dust aside. For a moment, Aaron saw her, not the woman, but the softness he'd been chasing. He smiled, and before dawn, he shattered the statue with one clean strike. He wasn't carving her anymore. He was carving the silence she left behind. The villagers thought he never finished, but they were wrong. He finished countless times, each time in a different way. Every sunrise he returned, to carve what time had blurred, to meet himself again inside the sound of wind and stone. Some things cannot be shaped in one touch. Not beauty, not forgiveness, not love. They must be met, again and again, until we no longer chase the form, but the feeling. And the wind will remember.